guys. In this video I'm going to show you apps that you can use to start making money online today. Like, you can start making money online today with these 4 apps I'm going to show you. And as you can see in my PayPal balance here, majority of this money came from those apps. Like, I use those apps to make quick money right there. Like, most of you guys try to make money online, maybe through affiliate marketing or other stuff, but you don't have like money to run ads and do stuff like that. With this app you can like make passive income and try to make some money. Like, majority of this, like up to like $700 actually. I got paid like up to $700 from apps, and other money came from other places. And in this video I'm going to show you those apps that paid me those money. But before we get right into this video, I want you to give me a thumbs up right in this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss awesome videos like this. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Now, the first app that paid me money right here is this one right here called, oh, it's loading up right again. Yeah, this one right here called Future Point. As you can see, it says Future Point get rewarded. This app pays you for playing games, completing surveys, and shopping online. You can have scratch and win prizes, free game. You can play game and earn real cash. You can redeem your points through Amazon, PayPal, Google Play, prepaid Visa, and more. Yeah, those are the way you can withdraw your money, and I actually use the PayPal method to withdraw my money right here. But what this app does is that it pays you to perform simple tasks like completing a survey, shopping online, playing games. Like, when you're in your leisure time, you can just head over to the app and play games, and you earn money, and you can withdraw it to either your PayPal account. You can get it as a Google Play card, Amazon gift card, or your prepaid Visa card. Now, if you scroll up right there, you can see the app has over 120,000 downloads, and you can see reviews right here. Like, I'm trying to show you guys reviews. I'm trying to load, let it load up the reviews so I can show you guys that this app really pays. It pays money. You can head over to Google Play Store. It works on both Google, works on both Android phone and Apple phones, but it doesn't work on laptop actually. So you can download the app on your phone. Just search for Future Point on your Google Play Store, and you're going to see this app right here with this logo right here. You can go ahead and download it and start earning money right away today. Now, the second app that actually paid me money too was this one right here called Inbox Dollar. Let it load up, guys. Yeah, this one right here called Inbox Dollar. Like, I've been using this app for a very long time. It pays you to perform simple tasks, and it's not those apps that pays you like $0.0001, like few cents. This one right here pays you a huge amount of money to perform simple tasks. You can see it has over 100,000 downloads, and it says Inbox Dollar, the reward club that pays. Yeah, that pays you. It says earn cash and get paid for your everyday online activity with Inbox Dollar. It's free and easy to join. Inbox Dollar has partnered with most of the trusted brand in retail technology and market research to deliver a robust platform of earning opportunities since 2000. Over $57 million in cash rewards have been paid to members, and it's true, guys, because I'm part of those people that have been paid by Inbox Dollar. Like, it paid me a lot of money. Like, maybe out of the $700, I got paid like $150 from Inbox Dollar right here. So you can go check this app. It works on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. It works on both Android and Apple and iPhone. Like, you can get it on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, so you can go check it out. And the third app that paid me money right here is this one called Google Opinion Rewards. Now, if you've been getting value from this video, I want you to give me a thumbs up right there and subscribe to this channel if you're new. And thanks for doing that actually. Now, this one is Google's own reward systems. Like, it pays you for, like, as you can see, it says answer quick surveys and earn Google Play credits with Google Opinion Rewards, an app created by the Google survey teams. Yeah, this app pays you for surveys. Like, once you register on the app, once you download it and register, it's available on Google Play Store and the Apple App Store too. As you can see, it has 2.4 million downloads, and you just download the app and you'll be asked some questions Once you answer the question, like they need your opinion on how to improve the system. Once you answer the question, you get paid to do so. Now this is one of the app also that paid me to do some tax. Google Opinion Rewards is free and easy to join, so you can go check that out on the Play Store or the Apple App Store. Yeah, it's your Android phone or your iPhone. Now the last but not the least app that paid me like the most amount of money right here is Swagbucks. I know most of you must have heard of Swagbucks, but like it's a very real platform that it paid me the most amount of money. Like as you can see right here, it says earn free gift card and make cash by Swagbucks when you take surveys on the go. Shop at your favorite stores or discover new products, service and content all over the convenience of your phone. Join Swagbucks today and get a $10 welcome bonus. And it's true, once you join Swagbucks, you get a $10 welcome bonus. Like, link to Swagbucks can be maybe in the description below, so you can go check the website out. I'm going to put the link to Swagbucks in the description below, so you can go click it and check the website out, because this is like the #1 website that's going to pay you money to perform simple tasks, play games, and do any simple stuff right here. Like, it pays you to do simple tasks, and you can withdraw your money either to your PayPal account. You can get it as an Amazon gift card and Google Play card and so on. You can go to the website out and check it out. Link is going to be in the description below, so you can go check it out. Now, if you've, as I've said, if you've gotten value to this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you're new. Like, those are the 4 apps that I'm showing right now that paid me most of the money that is here right here, like up to $700 plus. I got paid from these 4 apps right here. And if you want to see future video like this on, like, I'm going to release a video maybe after this one or later, like websites also that paid me money to perform simple tasks. Like, this one are apps, but there are also websites that can pay you to perform simple tasks. I'm going to do a video on that one, on website that pays to perform simple tasks very soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more info about that. And with that said, I will see you in my next video. Let's go. Peace.